Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay mag-attend tayo ng birthday. Kaya samahan nyo ako, let's go! Alright guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa may Jack's Bar and Restaurant, Bar and Smokehouse. Wow, 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 wow. What can you see?
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and always remember I love you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What can you say?
Happy birthday, Dad. I love you.
Thank you.
Is this the mic? Happy birthday, Dad. I hope you had an amazing day and you enjoyed this amazing meal. Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Kristen. And Ken. And my lovely wifey. Ayan. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, so as you celebrate your 53rd birthday, what can you say?
Thank you very much sa inyong pagbati, guys. At naabot ko na naman ang edad na ito. Ayan, masaya pa rin at buo pa rin ang pamilya.
Oh, sorry.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumati sa aking karawan ngayon. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa aking wifing bumati ng aking karawan. Ayan, sa aking son, Ken. Ayan, maraming salamat po. At kay Crystal. Ayan, maraming salamat din. Sa lahat po na bumati, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Alright. Okay guys.
Dalahin na nilang order nito.
Panibagong buhay na naman guys. Ayan.
Put your hands down. Anything you want to say on your birthday?
Not yet.
Why?
Not yet. I'm hungry.
Are you?
I need to eat first. I want to eat.
My son, can you look up in here? Just a souvenir from your dad's birthday. You okay there? You look sad. You're not sad. How about you, Crystal? Are you sad?
Yeah,
Why?
because there's no food in front of me.
Are you hungry as well?
Yeah.
And where is the birthday? So,
I'm hungry.
you're hungry?
I want to eat. Ayan guys, so ito na yung order namin. Ayan, look at that, look at that. This is the one. Yan, ang ganda guys. So, di ba? Yan na guys. Wow. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow. Diba? Then, eating time. Ayan, ito. Yan, eating time guys. Thank you.
One more.
Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Ken. Alright guys, yan. Alright guys, yan. Oh, yan. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yan.
Oh, it's hot.
Wow. Wow.
Yes,
Oh, very, very good. Eating time. Happy birthday to me guys. Yeah. Messi. Messi. Wow. It's nice. Crystal is nice. Wow. Happy birthday, Crystal.
Or you birthday? Watch it cold. Alright. Kuha mo na sa akin. Pagkuha ko siya. Madali lang. Kasi dito ako makuha na siya. Madali lang.
Alright guys, yan na guys. Happy birthday. O yan. Alright. Okay guys. Kainan na guys. Yan. Yan. Kainan na. Happy birthday to me guys. Yan.
Sa palit ka rin.
Did you get your chicken beef?
How do I eat this one? I'm asking how.
Alright guys. Yan na guys. So, anong nangyari? Anong nangyari ngayon? Nabagyo guys. Nabagyo na guys. Nabagyo guys. Nabagyo. Bagyo guys, bagyo. Diba? Ubos. Inantok. Inantok mo guys. Inantok na kasi busog na. Busog na kaya inantok na guys. Inantok na kaya busog na. Yan. Crystal, are you alright? See? Empty. Empty. Empty guys. Empty. All empty. All empty.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Why are they such long handles?
I need to remove that one, and that one, and cut it, that one, and cut it, that one. And cut it, that one.
Did you make a wish love?
Yeah.
You did make a wish.
I wish.
You're just not gonna tell us though.
I don't tell it. It's nice. It's sweet.
Thank you.
Crystal? This is cake. Well done. There you go. All right. Nice. It's very nice. I like it. Thank you very much, guys. The birthday cake. Delicious. Masarap. Masarap guys, masarap. Yan o. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Guys, thank you dito sa cake. Ayan, maraming salamat kay Arlene Colcol, and Kent Colcol at Crystal Colcol sa kanilang pa-birthday cake. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Ayan. I-slice ko na yan, guys. Oh, yan, no. Diba? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
No, it's not. There's too much icing.
Ayan, guys. So, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for the cake. Ayan. Yan o. Cake. Yan yung cake ko, guys. It is Crystal. Hello. Yeah, thank you very much for the greetings. Thank you for the cake. Jack's Bar Smokehouse. Ito ang Isle of Man, guys. Ang lamig. Dito tayo. Ang gabi ngayon dito. Ang oras natin ay alas 8 ng gabi. Yan, tawid tayo. Wala mang sasakyan. Kaya dito tayo sa gitna ng kalsada, guys. So, alright. Yan, guys. Alright, guys. So, yan. Maraming salamat po. Yahoo! Ayan, oh. Liwanag, di ba? Gabi yan dito, guys. Yan. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video. Ayan. At maraming salamat po sa lahat na bumati sa aking karawan ngayon. Ayan, maraming salamat po. I love you all, guys. Alright, guys, so galing tayo sa restaurant at nag-celebrate tayo ng ating kainan doon. The following day, dito tayo ngayon sa bahay. Pinagpatuloy natin ang kainan. Alright, guys, so ito na yung ulam natin. Ang ulam natin ay itong fried chicken. Ayan, fried chicken. Ayan. fried chicken at mayroon tayong adobong pork at saka ito fried chicken. Ito naman ay fish. Yan, fish yan siya guys. Yan. Fish. Tapos ito. Diba? Okay natin ito guys kasi yan siya. Oh, di ba? Okay. Tapos ito, yan yung pork. Ito yung chicken, fried chicken. Ito ang salmon. Salmon. Itong pancit. Ito ang pork. Alright guys, yan na. Alright guys, happy birthday to me. Happy anniversary to Arlene Colcol. Ayan, happy anniversary to Arlene Colcol. Shout out to Arlene Colcol. Happy anniversary, love.
Thank you.
Yan, mayroong prutas dito. Yan.
May kambal love.
May kambal. Tapos yan. Kuha tayo ng kuhan. Ha? Busy konti. Konti. Ano ba? Ito? Or ito? Saan ba? Saan ba? Okay, ito. Sa kuhan. Ulo. Yan. Dito guys. Ito ang saro sa ulo. Pota. Oh, kaon na ta. Kaon na ta. Lagyan natin ito. Op. Sorry. Sobra. Hindi ka makakita dyan lakay. Okay. Kama na. Dali na, Mads. Dali na. Alright, guys. So, ito na tayo. Kain na.
The occasion of this day, the birthday celebrant is June. We lift him up to you, oh God, in his life and his family, oh God, you're going to bless him and protect him always. Lord, thank you for welcoming me and love his precious Lord, bless the household, oh God. Lord, give him
Amen. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray!
Yan mo yung lagi ako nila love.
Yan na, kaon na guys. Ngayon na ta. Ladies first. Muna yung kanon guys. Muna yung kanon. Nadi rin kanon.
Kanon, salamat sa kanon.
Dali na. Kaya mo na, kain. Kain ka na. Oh. Kain ka, biya ha. Huwag kang mahiya. Si mama mo, ano sabi niya? Magsunod lang.
Kailangan mo ng konting taba.
Oh, ilagyan mo ng taba. Doon, ano? Ayan, taw.
Kaya tayo.
Kaya tayo.
Dalawang taso yan ang Nixon.
Bahala ka na dyan kung ano, hindi ko sabihin. Secret. Ate, okay ka lang? Oo. Idol ko to eh. Gusto ko yan. Guys, ito yung apo ko na isa. Pangalawa. Pangalawang apo ko to. Yan. Ito naman si Ken. Shoutouts ko si Ken. So, hello guys. How are you guys? You alright?
Sino nagpunta ng Bihon? Si Ria o si Sunday?
I don't know.
Si Mami mo?
Mami mo.
Si Mami Ray.
Si Ria. Itong idol ko guys.
Maganda kinamot si Masjid kasi may si Ken Shergy, anuhan mo? Saka si Ken?
Ito na si Gilbert. Shout out.
Wag ako pre, marami ako.
Ito naman si Masjid. Shout out sa mga taga Davao. Si Masjid Luso. Shout out sa mga taga Luzon. Yan si Arlene guys. Shout out sa mga taga Tapayan.
Ulit pre. Shout out sa taga Batman, Batang Mandog.
Batang Bandog. Taga Bandog. Mandog.
Hindi yung yung mga shout out sa mga prinsipe ng
Sa, ito naman si Isabel guys. Shout out sa mga taga Takurong. Takurong. Yan, Takurong.
ngaong tagbihon.
Yan. Ito naman si Tara guys. Nahuli ko away siya ng ulo. Nagipag-away siya.
Pag-away sa balat.
Ito naman si Paring Carlito guys. Yan. Shout out sa mga taga kain na naman.
Kainan na naman. Walang magawa sa buhay. Kundi kain
Happy
ng kain.
birthday!
Oh, yan. Maraming salamat sa pagbati. Yan. Walang papaitan.
Sorry, Mama.
Sabihin mo kay mami mo,
Mama,
walang papaitan. Oh,
Pero may nagkaya.
may lechon. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Maligayang bati. Nagwala kita ng plato.
Mga plato yan, oh. Oo. Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Bugoy ka.
Sub-Sahara.
Ayan, sana all.
Pre, pagdalaw ka ng mga Gindanao outfit. Tapos yung pang sa ulo, Sub-Sahara.
Pre, salamat.
Salamat sa Sarah.
Salamat. Ingat.
After 2 weeks, yahe. Ano ay
Pre.
sa kanya, limagso mo?
6 o'clock, doon na tayo, ha? Okay. Yan. Happy birthday to me. Happy anniversary, Arlene Kolkol.
Anniversary as well.
21 years sacrifice.
Unahan ako, ah. Akala ko akong nag-sacrifice, siya pala.
Ikaw man nauna. Kayo naunahan.
Tayo ni Ron.
Kung 20 years kayo nag-sacrifice, anong tawag sa akin? 25 naman kami.
Silver sacrifice? Ayan. Ayos, ah.
Grabe ka, Martin. Pre.
Ano, paggawa ka rin gold to?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sunday.
Bye-bye, pre.
Oh, sige.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Lamig.
Lamig.
Koko, lika na koko.
Lamig.
Ko, di ka na ko.
Lamig. Wala pa yung taxi ko dyan? Wala pa na? Wala pa.
Diyos
Grabe.
Rio.
Karlakas ng hangin.
Lamig ba? birthday, Jumar.
Happy birthday kay Jumar. Ayan. Ayan si Jumar guys. Yan si Jumar. Ayan. Si Pauline. Si Epe. Si Jelen. Ayan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jumar. Birthday rin ni Jumar bukas, guys. Kaya nagsunod-sunod na. Ayan o. Ayan o. Alright. Ayan. Bye-bye na, guys. Bye-bye na. Salamat. Salamat, 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 salamat. Okay, bye-bye. Ingat. Ingat, 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 ingat. Ito guys, si Sunday guys. Hello.
Nako guys, lobat.
Lobat na daw siya. Alright guys. So hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Ayan. At don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.